Good morning, all medicos. Today's our MCQs are on topic gram-positive bacteria from microbiology. Subscribe our next MCQ channel and grow with us. Let's begin. Question number 1. Which of the following is a gram-positive bacillus? Option A, Staphylococcus. B, Streptococcus. C, Listeria. D, Meningococci. The correct answer is C, Listeria. Listeria is a gram-positive bacillus. Staphylococcus and Streptococcus are also gram-positive, but they are cocci. Meningococci are gram-negative cocci. Question number 2. Mannitol salt agar is used for isolation of option A, Gonococcus. B, Pneumococcus. C, Staphylococcus. D, Pseudomonas. The correct answer is C, Staphylococcus. Selective media for Staphylococcus aureus are 1. Ludlam's medium. 2nd. Mannitol salt agar. 3rd. Columbia colistin nalidixic acid agar. Question number 3. True about Staphylococcus aureus. Option A, microaerophilic. B, produce lemon yellow colonies. Option C, grow with 10% NaCl. Option D, all are true. The correct answer is option C, grow with 10% NaCl. Staphylococcus is facultative anaerobe. Staphylococcus aureus produce golden yellow pigment which is maximum at 22 degrees centigrade. Most of the Staphylococcus species grow in the presence of 10% NaCl. Question number 4. Oil paint appearance on nutrient agar is seen in option A, Streptococcus pyogenes. B, Staphylococcus aureus. C, Bordetella pertussis. D, H. influenza. The correct answer is B, Staphylococcus aureus. Staphylococcus shows oil paint appearance on nutrient agar. Question number 5. Most common site for Staphylococcus carrier. Option A, skin. B, nose. C, oropharynx. D, perineum. The correct answer is B, nose. Staphylococcus aureus is a part of normal human flora. The anterior nares is the most frequent site of human colonization. Question number 6. All are medically important streptococci except option A, Streptococcus pyogenes. B, Streptococcus agalactia. Option C, Streptococcus equisimilis. Option D, Streptococcus salivarius. The correct answer is option D, Streptococcus salivarius. Streptococcus salivarius is non-pathogenic. Other three are pathogenic to mans. Question number 7. C carbohydrate in Streptococcus hemolyticus is important for option A, Lancefield classification. Option B, phagocytic inhibition. C, toxin production. D, hemolysis. The correct answer is option A, Lancefield classification. Hemolytic streptococci were classified by Lancefield serological classification into groups based on nature of C carbohydrate antigen on the cell wall. Question number 8. Griffith typing is done for option A, Staphylococcus. Option B, Streptococcus. Option C, Meningococcus. Option D, Gonococcus. The correct answer is option B, Streptococcus. Group A streptococci are further subdivided into type based on the protein M, T and R protein. This is Griffith typing classification. Question number 9. Bacitracin sensitivity is used to differentiate option A, group A Streptococcus from Staphylococcus. Option B, group A Streptococcus from other beta hemolytic streptococci. Option C, group A Streptococcus from gamma hemolytic streptococci. Option D, group A Streptococcus from alpha hemolytic streptococci. The correct answer is B, group A Streptococcus from other beta hemolytic streptococci. Staphylococci are catalase positive and Streptococcus are catalase negative. So differentiated by catalase test. Bacitracin sensitivity is used to differentiate Streptococcus pyogenes group A streptococci from other beta hemolytic streptococci. Question number 10. CAMP test is positive for option A, group A Streptococcus. B, group B Streptococcus. Option C, group C Streptococcus. And option D, group D Streptococcus. The correct answer is option B, group B Streptococcus. CAMP reaction is given by S. Echinacea. For group B, Streptococcus. Question number 11. The following are features of pneumococcus except option A, bile insolubility, B, optocin sensitivity, C, gram positive, D, encapsulated. The correct answer is option A, bile insolubility. Pneumococci are bile soluble and other three options are features of pneumococcus except bile insolubility because pneumococci are bile soluble. Question number 12. Capsule of pneumococcus is option A, polypeptide type, B, polysaccharide, C, lipopolysaccharide, D, none. The correct answer is B, polysaccharide. The most important virulence factor of pneumococci is capsular polysaccharide. Question number 13. Quellen reaction is seen in option A, group B, Streptococcus, B, Staphylococcus, C, pneumococcus, D, enterococcus. The correct answer is C, pneumococcus. What is Quellen reaction? When a suspension of pneumococci is mixed with specific antiserum capsule, it becomes apparently swollen. This is called Quellen reaction. Quellen reaction is also shown by Klebsiella pneumonia, H. influenza and Neisseria meningitidis. Question number 14. In a patient of orbital cellulitis, microorganism on culture show greenish colonies and optocin sensitivity. The most likely organism is option A, Streptococcus viridans, B, Staphylococcus, C, Pseudomonas, D, pneumococcus. The correct answer is D, pneumococcus. We need to find bacteria with following properties. 1. Greenish discoloration of colonies. 2. Optocin sensitivity. Greenish discoloration means alpha hemolysis. Pneumococci and Streptococcus viridans show alpha hemolysis, so option B and C are ruled out. Sensitivity of pneumococci to optocin is useful in differentiating them from other streptococci. Thus, the correct answer is D, pneumococcus. Question number 15. Staphylococcal scalded skin syndrome SSS syndrome is caused by option A, hemolysin, B, coagulase, C, enterotoxin, D, epidermolytic toxin. The correct answer is D, epidermolytic toxin. Exfoliative epidermolytic toxin is responsible for staphylococcal scalded skin syndrome. This is part first video on MCQs on gram-positive bacteria. Thanks for watching and you should subscribe our channel for more videos on all topics for next NEET PG or FMGE. Like our video, subscribe our channel, next MCQ and share this with your friends and colleagues.